Hey everybody, welcome back to A Man, a Van, a Plan, and this time's 2-minute tip. Well, I'm going to be giving you this 2-minute tip from the seat of this bicycle because that's what we're talking about. Today we're talking about bike packing. I've actually got a twofer for you today. The first one has to do with pedaling. What you want to do when you're out here bike packing is you want to find a very comfortable gear to pedal in. You should be able to talk and carry on a conversation. If you can't talk and carry on a conversation, then you're pushing too hard of a gear. Gear down. You should be spinning at around 80 revolutions a minute. So my second tip today has to do with clothing. I do insist on wearing a full bike kit when I ride, and that includes a bike jersey and actual bike shorts. The bike shorts have a pad in them, specially designed for bicycling. They protect your nether regions. Fellas, if you're gonna wear a pair of these, don't wear your tighty whities under them. Ladies, no bloomers. No, these bike pants, they're designed to wear directly against the skin. So don't spoil them by putting on cotton underpants underneath. Remember, cotton is rotten. The reason I insist on a full bike jersey is it's got a lot of pockets in back. Place for you to stick your phone, your camera, your wallet, your money. It's just handy. So, if you want to do some bike packing, try and keep it at 80 revolutions a minute. You should be able to talk and carry on a conversation, and make sure that you are wearing the correct clothing. Bike shorts and a jersey. I'm David with A Man, a Van, a Plan, and that's today's 2-minute tip coming to you from the seat of a bicycle.